guys, welcome to Hethal's Creative Studio. In this video, I'll be sharing with you how to create this beautiful silver hathphool which I had made to wear for this Navratri. I hope you guys enjoy this video. So let's begin. You will need a couple of pendants, chains, ghungroos, some jump rings, an S-shaped hook, pliers, and a cutter. You will need this cutter to cut the chains into 3 different sizes. So one will be going around your finger, the other will be going around your wrist, and the third one will be joining the ring and the bracelet part. Now take this chain which will be forming as a ring, take a jump ring and join both the ends of this chain. Pull this jump ring through both the ends. Take the pendant and join it. Close this jump ring using the plier. Once it's done, take another jump ring and take the chain which will be attaching the ring to the bracelet. Pull this jump ring through the eye in between the pendant and lock it with the plier. Take the chain that will be going around your wrist and take the midpoint of that chain. Join this point with the jump ring to the end of this chain and fix it with the plier. Take another jump ring and attach it to the end of this part of the bracelet. Take an S-shaped hook and attach it to the another end of the bracelet and lock it. Take a couple of other jump rings to add it as an extension. So this is how it looks after we have joined it. Take some ghungroos and we'll be attaching the ghungroos with the help of this jump ring. So in this jump ring I am attaching three ghungroos and fixing it around this side of the eye of this pendant and locking it with the plier. So at this point where the ring is attached to the pendant, we will open that jump ring and attach some ghungroos towards both sides of the jump ring and lock it. We will be attaching a couple of ghungroos, how much ever we can fix it over there. Take another jump ring and add 2 to 3 ghungroos on this one and fix it on the other eye of this pendant. Now over here at this point of intersection of the pendant and the chain, we will be opening this jump ring and attaching some ghungroos. So as you can see, by attaching these ghungroos, it looks more and more beautiful and more prettier. So this way, we will be attaching more ghungroos randomly around the chain. So at this point where we have this jump ring attached perpendicular to the bracelet, we'll be adding more ghungroos over there and on other sides of the bracelet also. And it's done. How simple and easy it was to make this beautiful silver hathphool. Thank you for watching this video. If you do like my content, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.